Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Just gonna start up our 78 F150. Just got it in. There's our inspection sheet. We're working on it. Just fixed the air today. I went and drove it. Cruise control works good. That's hard to believe, isn't it? Fuel gauges do not. They are in off. So that indicator must leave it on. Make sure the wiper, or see if the blinker's blinking. Horn works. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Like I said, air works. Guessing the radio needs to be hooked up, because I would assume it works with this the speaker system they got, but currently isn't working. There's your wipers. Even a de-icer for the rear window. Don't know if it works anymore, but oh yeah, this also has intermittent wipers. Go that way. So, highly optioned truck. Here's your dome lights, they work, so. It has like, got a 400 in it. Power brakes, power steering. And look at them added lights on the back there. So it looks like all the lights work. So almost everything works on it. The radio probably needs to be hooked up. And we got a little bit of work on the steering was a little loose here. That's why he has that on there. We're going to get into there and get that fixed too. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.